Do you have gross spots in your house you just can't get clean? Get a steam cleaner. It'll take care of them in a matter of minutes. I was so excited when I got this steam cleaner for review, and it has exceeded all of my expectations. My shower floor has never looked so good. It is the Smart Steam Cleaner, and it is a breeze to use. So let me show you what comes in the box. It is well packaged, and you truly have everything you need to get started. It comes with gloves and a microfiber cloth, and then it comes with a variety of attachments. You get the small bristle brushes for any little spot you want to scrub, and you get a larger bristle brush, which is great for larger spaces. I will plan to use this in my car when I finally get to cleaning that. And these metal bristle brushes are great for cleaning metal grates. You get some seals, and then it has two main attachments, this smaller piece, which I use most of the time, and this longer attachment for hard to reach spaces. And it even comes with a scraper. Now here is the Smart Steam Cleaner itself. You have your water cord on one side. Just turn it on and it will start pulling water into it and then shooting it out through the spray nozzle on the other side. Now the spray nozzle just has a simple push button to turn on and off, and it even has a flashlight if you're working in dark spaces while cleaning. So let's turn it on. I simply put the water cord into a bucket of water, it really doesn't need much, and turn it on. Within moments, I had steam and I went straight to work. First thing I did was get rid of all the dust on my baseboard nearly instantaneously, and then I went after my stovetop. I wanted to clean the rust off the vent grate that I could never get off, and it took it off so fast. And then I went for those tight little corners that I couldn't even clean with a toothbrush, sprayed in there, and it was like it was brand new. I can't get over how fast this cleans. Now, it takes a minute to get to steam, so you usually want to spray it into whatever water jug you have. And when you're finished, if you hold the trigger, it will just run cold water and that clears the line, which is great to do before you store it, and especially if you had added any soaps to the water. I cannot get over how great this Smart Steam Cleaner works, and I know you'll love it just as much as I do.